Welcome everyone to my YouTube video about how to make the app demo, and this is my app demo of my project called Diary Note for SIT206 Programming and Development at Deakin University. So what if you got I'm looking forward to see the feedback from you guys, and it's gonna be the wonderful news if I get someone like interesting in my project and be a pair with me. At the moment I'm just single. Anyway, okay, let's jump to the main one, how my project working. So firstly, this is all my view controller. You can see navigation controller control. This is the first one I call root, and this is the detail one. When you click on any table view cell appear around here, it will go into this view controller. You can edit the node, the text file, and this button will allow you to add the picture inside there. I also plan on my project proposal called like adding the video, but my time isn't enough for me to implement that. I got the idea how to implement the video inside that, how to play streaming video, but it might because of why? Because you need a YouTube or an URL link to connect it. So at the moment I will stop at insert the picture inside this text view, and you can edit them as well. So this view controller is about how I use Macbook and show my address of where I am, and also I should say like where I working. It's normally for professional, so when we check out we will see how that working. Okay, let's go to the talk about the coding because it's the main thing around here. This is table view, mostly just declare what I have inside that is the first name module, submodule, background image. It's gonna be here. Come on. Okay, so this is the first one, the title. The second one is intro subtext. You will see firstly in the view, and this is the background of the image when you're making that. Also, you can editing the title of your diary by using this button, edit. Okay, for the main one, so this is the texting I have like for how many pieces I have inside there. I check it before I implement the code data, because use the code data to copy the data, database, everything. So this is the testing of me before I use that, and it's success. So then I go ahead with the main one. I implement the code data. It's called diary. This is the diary entity, and this is the attribute inside there. The node name mean for the title, subnode name is the intro tag, node images mean the image background inside there, and detail gonna be inside. When you edit them, and you can push it back. But at this time, I think I don't have to use a detail diary, so I'm quite lazy to delete that at the moment because I want to keep everything as simple and just leave it there. Maybe I can use for my future project. I keep running on that one. Okay, so first of all, change the title of diary. I should go with the other one called how to use element code data. This is how I do. I call the name managed object contact with the class and as managed object contact. So I declare that in the view display. Here we go. Share the way. This is the basic one how to use implement that. And then the other code I have to show you is load data. I will go with okay, there you go. This will be easier. Okay, so there's a load data. You're gonna every time when I got the new data, implement the old thing, everything blah blah blah, I will just fetching the request of the data, like to get that data, implement them, copy, save. So that's what the load data I make here. As simple as well. So anytime when you're done with anything, you always have to save it. If not, it will just get out. Like the checkpoint in the game, you have to save the checkpoint for every turn when you play the game. If not, you have to go back at the beginning, and no one like it, right? Okay, the other thing is action. Action is mean like when you click on the plus icon, you will add the note with the image, everything. This is the code I have to use to make the image. In the picker, the essential thing you need to do when you use the images from the photo library, because this one I implement them and tell them how to use the photo from the phone, from the device you got when you launch the app. Might be your computer or might be your app, so both of them are the same, and it will get a data from your phone. You can get any picture you like for your intro. Very cool, right? Data send, use the SQL. Oh, SQL is being used so many times, like in the last project, so I hope I don't have to talk much about this. So in the picker, repair for SQL. Whoop. Save action. Just normally like you implement the get data send. Oh, this one for. Come on. There we go. So got data mean when you finish the text, you click on the table view cell. The data of the title and the subtext view will go into the main view controller, the main detail node diary controller, I mean. So in that one, the text view will collect the data from them and put inside the text view. You can edit them, anything you like. You can say you like something or not, and then you put in there. Image is a picture, and then you click done. When you're done, the text will coming back to the diary node one, and in that case, we can like transfer the information between them. So that's how you can edit everything. It's gonna be the SQL repair. I just need to find my repair. Oh, so many. Oh, there we go. So repair, I take the name is cell SQL. When you done that, the subtext equal the cell index you got, like the index here. I believe the symbol one is 0, but when you click on table view cell, it will copy the cell index equally to the index path row of the table view cell. So in that case, you can get the data very easily. Okay. So that's how you transfer the data. Okay, that's mostly everything for them. In the meantime, I will just close the app first and you can see it later. Go to the next one. Diary detail. Diary detail. Okay. Oopsie. There we go. So this is the diary detail one. When you click in there, you will see like this one for the toolbar. Every time when you click on tab view, you will see the keyboard and there's no done button like the other app we're using. So I make the toolbar to make a done button. So when anytime you finish texting, you can click on the done and then it's pop up and pop out. So you can click on the other button easily. I will show you very easy around here. Done button equally to the toolbar, target, cell, toolbar, click on item, and there we go. So the toolbar will show, just wait for this guy come up. Yep, there we go. So as you can see here, I have some little one first. I will make 4 of them. So what can I do exactly? I can delete them. You can see it's a little bit lagging because I use recording, so that's why it's lagging. But you can see you can delete that. You can delete by clicking this button. And everything will be gone for good, or maybe, but I will just try for you see. To yep, so it's gone. Click on this one. It's quite lagging because my MacBook not a very strong one. But it's good to programming everything, but when it go for recording software and then you do this one, I have an iMac which will be like similar to the desktop PC, so you can copy everything very easy. But this one just a little bit slow, but at least I have something. Okay, as you can see, I have the done button. Normally you don't have that, so when I click done, it pop out, and when I click in again from check view, okay, it's up, and then I can check everything alive with sample. I will delete everything here, and then I will say I am root, maybe from Guardian of Galaxy. There you go, and click done. Save button. I am good. Guardian of Galaxy 2. There we go. And you're wondering when I say add a picture inside there, what does that look like? I will click again then. I will just get another view. Oh, sometimes it bugs in, when you use the console simulator. So the way to solve that, go into the hardware, keyboard. So you talk in, talk out, those thing. So for the picture, I'll click on the plus button. I choose my camera then. It's from my device, MacBook, everything like that. So okay, some picture you see is similar to outside because I use on the same thing. Okay, I will click on this one then. Yep, this is a review. Click choose one, and boom, there you go. So you can move it around. The answer is yes. Just keep down there. Oops, I guess you have to click yeah, but anyway. So that's how you add a picture inside there. You just have to know where your space here. Go up and down, and you can click on that. If not, it will just at the middle like me. I did a bad example anyway. So save. Oh, good. No breaking, no anything. So how to edit title? Change your time here. I made this one like sometime if you didn't see that effect immediately, for some reason, you just have to restart. If not, everything normally see at the normally. Like I use the user default to change the name, so it will be immediately. But just a warning. Anyway, I will just name the lucky one. Let's save, and there we go. Ta-da! I use the user default setting, so in that case you can change the name immediately and you don't have to worry like have to reset again. And this one is for the location market. It's a requirement for the project when you do for assignment too, so I'm sure this element should give me something like when someone see my project on GitHub, they interested and they will find me with my detail, send me an email, something like that. I'm looking forward to it, and then they can work with me and we can prevent things better. So there you go. The map. Click on this one. Here we go. Deakin University. It's me, my ID number. It's my email. Looking forward to see everyone. And you can move the map as well. It's quite lagging, so you won't see that immediately, but you can do it when you open by your own. Click oh, got it. Animation, change, go back. So that's so the animation I'm making so far is about change everything, and also in that map you will see the change animation like every attitude inside that map kit map view will show after 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, but this is the recording so it won't show properly, but it's there, you will see it. Okay, so that's mostly the other thing as well, adding the new. So I make the background will be the first one you choose because you choose the photo. And you click on the image you like. I choose this one. Add the first name title. So I will go this is title name. And this is the intro name. Intro name. Blah blah blah. click save, and boom, there we go. So that's it for my one. I hope you enjoy so far everything I did here. Well, sorry for my computer lagging because my Mac is 2010 and the RAM is 8, but the processor is just called to do it, and I'm so sad about it. I wish I could make the iOS programming on my desktop. It's quite strong, but you know, Apple always one day on. So thank you for listening to this YouTube video. Hope you have some good time. That's it. I'm out.